To use Etoro in Pakistan. First, you need to understand what Etoro is. Etoro is a social trading platform that allows you to buy and sell various financial instruments, such as stocks, commodities, and currencies. To get started, you need to create an account on the Etoro website. Go to the Etoro website and click on the Sign Up button. Then enter your email address, username, and password. You will then receive a verification email to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, you need to complete your profile by providing some basic information such as your name, address, and phone number. You will also need to upload a valid government-issued ID and proof of address to verify your identity. After your account is fully verified, you can deposit funds into your Etoro account using a variety of payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal, or bank transfer. The minimum deposit amount is $50. Now you can start trading on Etoro. The platform offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to easily search and select the financial instruments you want to trade. You can also use the Etoro mobile app to trade on the go. One of the unique features of Etoro is its social trading feature, which allows you to follow and copy the trades of other successful traders. This can be a great way to learn from experienced traders and make informed investment decisions. It is also important to note that Etoro is a regulated platform, which means it is subject to strict rules and regulations to ensure the safety and security of its users. However, as with any investment, there are risks involved, and you should always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to start with a demo account to get familiar with the platform and practice trading with virtual money. You should also set a budget and stick to it, and never invest in something you do not understand. Overall, using Etoro in Pakistan can be a great way to invest in the global markets and access a wide range of financial instruments. By following these steps and best practices, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals.